Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to have an overview of course contents, and we are also going to have an overview of the topics that we are going to learn in this course. So let us get started. So this is the list of the contents in this course. The course is going to have a couple of presentation videos like this one, but as all of you know that I am not really a great fan of presentations, the course is going to mostly have programming videos with Python 3. And the specialty of this course is that all the programming videos that we are going to see and all the programs that we are going to write and execute, so all this work will be done on Raspberry Pi. And we are not going to use any Windows computer for writing the actual program. So we will still be using Windows computer for preparing our Raspbian image as well as accessing the desktop and command prompt of Raspberry Pi remotely, but we are not going to write any program on Windows as such. The course is also going to have downloadable PDFs and presentations. And finally, the course is going to have Python programs and Jupyter notebooks that we are going to learn as downloadables in the downloadable section. Now let us have a look at the overview of the topics that we are going to learn in this course. So we are going to get introduced to Python 3 and Raspberry Pi. We will be also having a brief look at various programming environments, distributions of Python as well as integrated development environment. We are also going to learn the basics of Python 3, and we are going to learn object-oriented programming and exception handling. Again, we will also be learning scientific Python ecosystem. In that we will learn NumPy and Matplotlib. Then we are going to learn interfacing of Raspberry Pi with electronics and other hardware. Also, we will learn the basics of Internet of Things, and we are going to see a couple of live demos with circuits and programs for Internet of Things. We will be having a look at data visualization with Matplotlib, and then we are going to move on to image processing with NumPy and Matplotlib. Then we are going to understand how to install MySQL on Raspberry Pi and how to install a sample database. We are also going to have a look at how we can connect Python 3 with MySQL using Raspberry Pi. Then we are going to have a look at a few unit testing frameworks like unit test and PyTest. We will also have a look at test-driven development and data structures in Python 3 programming. We will also have a look at the facility for logging. Then we are going to move towards the basics of interfacing a webcam with a Raspberry Pi, and then we will understand how we can write programs related to computer vision with OpenCV and Raspberry Pi. Then we are going to have a look at how to write programs related to computer vision with Python 3, OpenCV and Raspberry Pi. And finally, we are going to have a look at PyCamera. So PyCamera is a module in Python, as well as it is a physical camera module specifically manufactured for Raspberry Pi. Though nowadays, many other non-Raspberry Pi boards are also compatible with version 2 of Raspberry Pi camera module. So we are going to see all these things in very detail. So basically this entire slide covers the visual computing or computer vision related part of Python and Raspberry Pi. So we are going to have a look at all these things in detail. So there are at least 2 to 3 hours of lectures on these 3 topics specifically. And I am also planning to add a few more topics that I have in mind in this course. The topics will be related to hardware aspects of Raspberry Pi as well as libraries for Python 3 programming. So this was all about the overview of the contents on the topics in this video course. Thanks a lot for watching this video lecture, and I hope to see you in the course.